All right, let's talk about something you see every single day, but probably don't think twice about. Water. Not just the stuff in your glass or the rain on your window, but the epic journey water takes around our planet. Welcome to the water cycle, also known as nature's ultimate recycling program. So picture this. You're standing by a lake on a sunny day. The sun is beating down, warming the surface. That heat? It gives water molecules enough energy to break free and float up into the air as invisible vapor. This is evaporation. It's like water's great escape act, and it happens everywhere. Oceans, rivers, even puddles after a rainstorm. But water doesn't just leave from lakes and oceans. Plants are in on the action too. Through a process called transpiration, they release water vapor from their leaves. So yes, that tree in your backyard is secretly part of the cycle. Now, all this vapor rises up into the sky. As it climbs higher, the air gets cooler. When water vapor cools down, it bunches together into tiny droplets, forming clouds. This step is called condensation. Think of it like water's version of a group hug. Tiny droplets coming together to form those fluffy clouds you love to stare at. But clouds can't hold on to all that water forever. Eventually, those droplets get too heavy and bam, they fall back down to Earth as precipitation. That's rain, snow, sleet, or hail, depending on the temperature. So the next time you're caught in a downpour, just remember, you're witnessing the water cycle in action. Once water hits the ground, it has a few options. Some of it soaks into the soil, refilling underground reservoirs, what we call groundwater. Some of it runs off into streams, rivers, and eventually back to the ocean. And some of it hangs out in lakes or gets absorbed by plants, starting the cycle all over again. Here's the wild part. The water you drink today could have once been part of a glacier, a cloud, or even inside a dinosaur millions of years ago. Water never really leaves the cycle. It just keeps moving, changing form, and supporting life on Earth. So next time you see a raindrop, remember, it's not just falling from the sky. It's on an endless adventure. And honestly, that's pretty amazing.